Rosetta, I knew you since you was a little girl and you grew up to be a fine-ass woman. Let me get your number.
Hell no! In my opinion, I believe it's very weird for people who knew you as a child to hit on you and want to get with you just because you're an adult now. Like, I think it's fucking nasty, it's weird, it's creepy-ish. Like, you known me from when I was this little. Now you see all of this, you think you can get up with me? Like, no. Like, I was minding my business recently, and some guy, like I said, who I knew since I was little, was like, you know, I said hi to him, he said hi back, and he was like, yo, can I get a minute of your time? And I kept driving, like, first of all, it's 11 something at night. What is there to talk about? There isn't anything to discuss. And that's not the first time, like, this man hit on me. Like, I remember I was working at a job and I was helping him, and this fool gonna go, let me get you 7 digits. I said, first of all, it's 10. Second of all, no. Like, you literally know me since I was a child. Like, you really used to be having conversations with my mom with me next to my mother. So, like, was you looking at me and plying on me on nasty since I was young? Like, I think it's nasty. Like, how do people watch children grow up and then want to get with them? Like, if you're just like a cool girl or whatever and you like the youngins, that's fine. But I think the youngins you knew since they were little, they should be off limits because it's just very, like, predatory. Or even, like, this is a whole nother conversation, but, like, I also get, like, weirded out with, like, grown-ass women be hitting on, like, teenage boys and then be always like, if I was a few years younger, I would. That's disgusting, because if you were this child's age, they wouldn't even be a thought. But I just really, like I said, it's very creepy, it's very weird. Like, you've known me since I was little, and now because I'm an adult, you think it's okay to hit on me. In my opinion, it's not. It's not. I think it's nasty and creepy. Like, I don't give a fuck if you was the finest, oldest man I knew since I was a child and you want all of this. Like, no, because it's like, you must have been checking me out as a kid, and that's fucking trifling and disgusting. But guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like what you see, like what you hear, comment, like, share, and subscribe. Hey, until next time. Until next time. Oh, and don't forget to hit that bell. That what? Hit that bell. That bell. So you can get my notifications. And guys, it's Friday. Happy Friday. Fuck it up. It's Friday. Happy Friday. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Until next time.